Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 6.3 question number 2. Find the values of the unknowns x and y in the following diagrams. Here you see that in question number 1 you see here, right. In question number 1 you see this is y, this is 120 degree, this is x, this is 50. In figure 1 you see here that this angle y and this angle 120 degree lies on a straight line, right? Therefore we can write that y plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. We can write here as y plus 120 degree. Y plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Reason is that angles on a straight line. Both the angles are on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Right? Therefore, we find that y is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree 120 degree. Therefore, the value of y is equal to 180 minus 20 120, that is 60 degree. Therefore, the value of y you get is 60 degree. Now you know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. Right? Now second is y is 60 degree. Therefore, x plus 50 degree, x plus 50 degree plus y is 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. That is angle sum property of a triangle, right? This is angle sum property of a triangle. This is angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle right? Therefore, x plus 50 plus 60 is 110 degree is equal to 180 degree, or you can say x is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree 10 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 70 degree. This is figure 1. Now let's deal figure 2. Figure 2 here you see is this is figure 2. This we find that this angle 80 and this y is vertically opposite angle. Then we can write y is equal to 80 degree. Y is equal to 80 degree. Why? The reason is that they are vertically opposite angle. They are vertically opposite angle. Right? And this y is 80 degree. We have to find the value of x. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, x plus value of y is 80 degree. X plus 80 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree right? Therefore, x plus 80 plus 30, that is 0. 180 plus 50 is 130 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 minus 130 is equal to 50. Then the value of x is equal to 50 degree. This is in figure 2. Now in figure 3 you see here, figure 3. In figure 3 you see here, figure 3 is in figure 3 here you see that x and y. Here you see this is 50 degree, this is 60, this is y. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can write here that y plus 50 degree, 50 degree plus 60 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree, 180 degree. Or you can write y 50 plus 60 is 110 degree, 110 degree is equal to 180 degree, 180 degree, right? And y is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. Therefore y is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree, y is equal to 70 degree. Therefore here y is get 70 degree. Now in this here x plus y, here linear pair x plus y, this is a linear pair. Therefore we can write it as x plus y. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree, this is a linear pair. That is, in bracket we can write it as a linear pair. Linear pair. Now here you see the value of y is 70 degree. Therefore x plus 70, x plus 70 degree, x plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Right? Therefore x is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. That comes to 110 degree. Right? The value of x is 110 degree. Therefore write the various values here. Like, but the first one is the value of y is 60 degree. Here it is 60 degree. And the value of x is 70 degree. This is 70 degree. The value of x is 70 degree. Now we see 70 plus 60. 50 plus 60 is 110 plus 70, 180. Here also 60 plus 120, 180. Here also this is 80. Therefore the value of y is also 80. Vertical opposite angle. This is also 80 degree. And the value of x got in this is 50 degree. This is 50 degree. Right? 50 plus 50, 100 plus 80 is 180 degree. In question 3 you see here, this is 50, this is 60. Therefore the value of y is equal to 70 degree. Because 50 plus 60 is 110 plus 70 is 180 degree. And this is a linear pair. Therefore this is 70. That means this is 110 degree. This is 110 degree. Right? Now we'll solve question number 4. Here you see question number 4 is question number 4. Question number 4 is question number 4. Here question number 4 is, this is question number 4 in this figure. Here see this is y, this is x, this is 30 and this is 60. Here see this is vertically opposite angle, therefore x is equal to 60 degree. X is equal to 60 degree. That is vertically opposite angle. The reason is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Right? That means this is 60 degree. Now y plus x, x is 60 degree, y plus 60 degree plus 30 degree plus 30 degree. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore, y plus 60 plus 30 is 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. Or you can write y is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Therefore, y is equal to 90 degree. Right? This is question number 4. Now question number 5. We'll deal question number 5. This is question number 5. Here you see that is y is equal to 90 degree because this is vertically opposite angle. Y is equal to 90 degree because this is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Right? Y is 90 degree. Now we know that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree, that the x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x plus y is 90 degree, y is 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. This is what is angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property, angle sum property, sum property of a triangle of a triangle. Right? Therefore, x plus x is 2x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. 80 degree, or 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Therefore, 2x is equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree, or x is equal to 90 degree divided by 2, that is comes to 45 degree. 45 degree. Right? Now question number 6. Question number 6 is, here you see this is question number 6. Right? This is question number 6. This is value of x, right? And this is question of value of y, right? Therefore, we write it as that. Here you see. Here you see. This is x. That means this is also x. Why? Because this is vertically opposite angle, right? Here you see this is x and x is equal y. That means you can write is this is also x, right? This is also x. And this angle is x. That means this angle is also x because this is vertically opposite angle. Then all the angles are x. Therefore, according to the sum property of triangle, that is x plus x, that is we can write x plus x plus x is equal to 180 degree. X plus x is 3x is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. Or x can be written as 180 degree divided by 3. Or x can be written as 3 6 18. 0 x is equal to 60 degree. Right? Now here you can write the various values. Here you see the first one, that is fourth. Fourth is the value of y is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. And the value of x we find here as 60 degree. In question number 5, we see that the value of x is 45 degree. That means this is 45 degree. This angle is also 45 degree. And this y is 90 degree. The value of y is 90 degree because this is a vertically opposite angle. In this case also here said all the values this x is equal to this x, this because this is vertically opposite angle, and this is equal to this x, this is vertically opposite angle, and says x is equal to y, therefore this can be also written as x. Therefore x plus x plus x is 180 degree, 3x is equal to 180 degree, or x is equal to 180 by 3, that is x equal to 60 degree. Right? Dear friends, this is the solution of question number 2 of exercise 7.6.3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.